Makeup tutorial for date. Getting ready for a date can be exciting, but it can also be stressful, especially when it comes to makeup. You want to look your best, but you also want to feel confident and comfortable. In this essay, we will provide a step-by-step guide to help you achieve a beautiful and natural-looking makeup look for your next date. Start with a clean, moisturized face. Before applying any makeup, it's important to start with a clean, moisturized face. Use a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or oil, and apply a lightweight moisturizer to help hydrate and nourish the skin. Apply primer. Applying a primer can help create a smooth, even base for your makeup. Choose a primer that is suitable for your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. Apply a small amount of primer to your face, focusing on any areas that tend to get oily or have larger pores. Conceal and correct. If you have any blemishes or under-eye circles, now is the time to conceal and correct them. Use a concealer that matches your skin tone to cover any blemishes, and a peach tone corrector to neutralize any dark circles or discoloration under the eyes. Apply foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone and type. Apply it with a brush or sponge, starting in the center of your face and blending outward. Build up coverage in areas that need it, and blend well to create a natural-looking finish. Add a touch of blush. Blush can help add a pop of color to your cheeks and give you a healthy, youthful glow. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone, and apply it to the apples of your cheeks, blending upward and outward. Define your brows. Well-defined brows can help frame your face and enhance your natural features. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas, and brush them upward and outward for a natural-looking finish. Apply eyeshadow. Choose a neutral eyeshadow palette with shades that complement your skin tone and eye color. Apply a light, shimmery shade to your lid, and a slightly darker shade to your crease. Blend well to create a seamless transition between the two shades. Line your eyes. Eyeliner can help define your eyes and make them appear larger and more expressive. Use a black or brown eyeliner to line your upper lash line, and a white or nude liner to line your waterline. Apply mascara. Mascara can help enhance your lashes and make your eyes appear brighter and more open. Choose a volumizing or lengthening mascara, and apply it to your upper and lower lashes. Finish with lipstick. Choose a lipstick shade that complements your skin tone and the occasion. For a natural-looking finish, choose a shade that is close to your natural lip color. Apply the lipstick with a brush or directly from the tube, and blot with a tissue to remove any excess. In conclusion, getting ready for a date can be intimidating, but with the right makeup look, you can feel confident and beautiful. Start with a clean, moisturized face.